Okay guys, hi. So I am going to start with foundation. How many of you guys have seen Aquaman? Are you excited to see it? If you have seen it, yes. So anyways, I am taking the Superstay 24-hour foundation. This is the lightest foundation I have, and she is very clear complected. So we're gonna stick with that. We don't want to stray too far away from that. I also popped in some contacts in, you know, just to get the feel of the look. Okay, so I am just taking this damp beauty blender and blending it all over my face just so I can get that nice complexion. And yeah, so I am gonna do mild to full coverage here. I am not as fair as the actress. I like completely have a brain fart because I cannot remember her name right now. So yeah, but I'm not as fair, but right now the lights are making me look more tan than I am. But that is the fairest foundation I own, so I am sticking with that. Also, run it down your neck as well. If you have the costume or if you're cosplaying her, you're gonna want to make sure that you run it all the way down your neck. We're going to want to put some concealer on. And, okay, where's my concealer? I am just using another Maybelline product right here, and it is the Maybelline Concealer. It doesn't have a title on it, but I'm using it in Claire Fair. I'm putting this all under my eyes. Don't you just love, this is brand new, don't you just love a brand new concealer when it's just like fresh and it has a lot of product on the wand? I hate when I have to have an old concealer and I have to use, like, I have to scrape the product off. Just like that. Maybe highlight the tip of your nose and the chin. And her eyebrows aren't very pronounced in the movie, whatever the word is. But I'm just going to put a little bit underneath my eyebrows. Just going to blend that out. The Fenty Beauty and Universal Matte Invisimatte powder. And this right here is just going to mattify my entire face and set all my makeup. Now that our face is set, I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'm just going to do a classy brown type of nice eye look. I saw a few people do cosplays where they did red or heavy makeup, but I really want to just go off the movie, and it looked like she kept it nice and simple with big lashes to enhance her green eyes or blue eyes, whatever color her eyes are. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, I zoomed us in, and I'm going to take the Norvina palette for this look by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to first use this color right here called Base. And clearly it's a base color, and I'm going to place this all over my lid. Make sure you focus most of your eyeshadow on in the inner corner and like diffuse it towards the ends, because we're going to be putting some brown eyeshadow there. And you want to also load up on the brow bone. So like I said, load up on the brow bone. and then kind of make sure it ends like midway. Also keep it heavy in the inner corners. Then what you're going to want to do is we're just going to take 2 more shades, I think. We're going to take this color right here called Incense, just like a light brown. We're going to place that in the outer thirds of the crease, and then we're going to build that shade up. So I'm just using nice circular motions for this. Don't worry about blending it out just yet, we just want to get the shade on there. When it looks sloppier like this, we're just going to take a fluffy brush like so and blend it. Okay, now that it looks like that, I'm just going to take one more color, and this color is called Volatile. And it's right here, this color that I'm pointing to, and it's just like a dark brown. The camera's not picking it up, but it does have specks of red in it, just a little bit, like mahogany. But what you can do is, what I'm probably going to do too, is I'm going to blend a little bit of Passion with Volatile, just a little bit together, just because I feel like she has a hint of red in that. So just deepen it up. Put a shimmer on that brow bone, so I'm just taking this color right here, and from the Norvina palette, and it is called Dreamer. So just pop a little bit of that on the brow bone, just a little bit, because you just want a little bit of that. You can do your makeup, her makeup, however you want. If you're wearing this to a cosplay event, feel free to make it heavy if you'd like. So then I'm taking a little bit of that first shade called Incense and running it a little bit underneath the lash line, just a little bit. Moving on to the eyeliner, the fun stuff. I am just taking some liquid eyeliner. This is the Revlon Color Stay, and I'm going to make a small wing on my eyes. Okay, now that I got the liquid eyeliner on, what I want to do is put some lashes on, and I'm going to take these ones right here by Lash Couture, whatever, and they're called Boudoir, and I love these lashes. Alright, now that we wait for that eyelash to dry, eyelash glue to dry, I'm going to move on to lips and face. Contour on her face, so I'm just taking this cheek stamp right here, and it just looks like she has some nice natural blush on her face, and this is by Kaja, and it's a cheek blush, and this one is in #1 Koi, and you just stamp it on your face. It's really cool. So you'll just open it like this, and then make sure that the stamp is ready, and you're just going to stamp it in like so, and then this should be enough for both cheeks. I've been using this now, so it doesn't really make a heart like it claims it does, but you just blend it out. This is going to give you a nice natural cheek, just like hers. That way our face isn't too matte. Okay, so now that the eyes and cheeks are done, I'm going to move on to lips. I'm just using this Kylie Cosmetics lip liner called Dirty Peach, and I'm going to line my lips. Just like that, and I'm going to use a little bit of this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Stockholm. A completed look. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup transformation. It was a lot of fun for me. It's something different for my channel. I was going to do it a while back, but just the props and everything. But I hope you guys love this, and if you have any other requests for any other looks from movies or anything like that, just please comment down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.